I don't know. Why is this doll back? And I don't even know if she had a name. Do you remember what her name was?
No, I forgot. I forgot too.
Well, maybe we should name her.
Okay.
Maybe she'd like that.
How about Bella? Bella.
Yeah, we can name her Bella.
Okay.
All right, put her down here and let me inspect her.
Okay.
Her hat's kind of floppy. And we haven't seen any of the dolls for like months.
Yeah.
So I wonder what's going on. Oh, she feels like she has something inside of her.
Yeah.
What should we cut her open?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah,
All right.
I think so.
I'll get some scissors.
Okay, I'll follow you, Mom.
All right, hold on. All right. Let's see if we can get this.
I'm scared
Doll
to see
open.
what's inside.
Yep. Sorry, doll, but we have to open you up because I think there's some things in there. They're hard objects inside.
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna rip open a hole.
Wait, I see something green in there.
Yeah, something's in there.
What is in there?
All right. I don't know.
Why is that in there?
There's a little like puppet alien for some reason.
I want to open the next.
All right.
It's a Lego guy and an arrow?
Oh,
Johnny, that's yours?
were we missing one of those?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's
yours, Johnny?
Look, there's glitter everywhere.
Yeah. Johnny, you open it the next.
This is the Lego guy with the bow and arrow.
This is.
Oh, it's a little LOL doll comb.
Yeah.
So there's that. Why are these things inside of her?
Opening more.
Okay.
A Shopkin.
Oh. What's that Shopkin's name? I don't remember.
I see a
Chocolate or
note.
something like that.
There's a
Chocolate bar.
note.
Oh, this is important, I think. Look,
It's a heart.
it's a broken heart. All right, you want to open it for me, Ella?
Yeah. Says the doll maker is back. That's not good.
Let me see. The doll maker is back.
I'll see the next
Why?
one.
What else is in there?
Hey, that's part of my arts and crafts stuff. What is it doing in there?
It's a paper clip.
Yes, paperclip.
What else? It feels like there's something else in here.
What's it? What's
A donut.
it? No, that's
a toy.
It's a toy. That's one of my other toys.
Okay.
Donut.
What else?
It's stuck in there.
It is stuck.
Wait, it's made a weird sound.
Oh, it's Kristoff with a little bit of stuffing on him.
No, that's not Kristoff.
Who is this? Sven?
Yes. Spen.
Sorry, I'm not up to date with my
I'm getting more.
my animals.
I want to get
On Disney.
super more. Come on, it has to be something else. Another one?
Oh, she must have been hungry. Anything else in there? Just stuffing? Let me feel.
Something metal.
Yeah, I think that's part of the doll.
That's a bar. Wait, I think I heard something.
Well, that's probably her arm. I think that's it.
That's her leg.
She's just got stuffing in her. Gross. How did those things get inside of you? That is really strange. And what does it mean by the doll maker is back?
I think that now there's going to be more dolls getting in our way and getting in our way from all the fun.
They're gonna be back and trying to mess up our house and stuff.
And they might even turn us into dolls.
Yeah, that's not good.
I don't want to turn into a doll.
No, I don't want to either. Why do you think they're back after all this time?
Probably because they come once in a while and then they just come back.
Yeah. They want to cause mischief, I think. And her taking all your toys, things that you liked,
Yeah.
and putting them inside, like eating them. How did she eat them?
I don't know.
I don't know either. It's really strange. Well, you can stay as long as you're good. Okay, Bella?
Yeah.
All right.
Stop coming in. What's that noise? What's that noise? What? There's tools taped to the wall? What? There's tools taped to the wall?
Hi. What's going on?
What's going on?
You think she's jealous? The doll
Yeah.
maker's jealous of these?
Yeah. Makers things.
Yeah, they must not like them.
They're jealous of these dolls because we play with them more than them. Yeah.
That's not good. They always get into mischief when they're jealous.
Yeah. Yeah. We should check somewhere else because there might be more dolls.
We might want to find them
Yeah.
and make sure they're not in trouble, getting into trouble, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
Let's go check on the couch. There's dolls.
Oh my goodness. All the dolls are back. Wonder why.
Some of these are new. Some of these
Yeah,
didn't.
like that one looks
So
like
this
Rapunzel.
one.
I mean, that was in one of our videos, hide and seek one.
Oh.
But that Rapunzel one is new. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
What do we do?
What do we do? I don't know. I'm so scared. I'm so scared.
Yeah. Oh no.
See.